now in this lecture we discuss about the case study where we required extremely dry air and at very low temperature. So this can be done with the help of sensible cooling and using desiccant dehumidification. So here in figure you see this is desiccant dehumidifier. So this is used for desiccant dehumidification. This is a leaden or damped air. So when this is passed through this desiccant dehumidifier, the desiccant wheel that installed in desiccant dehumidifier, so when this air passes through this wheel, then this wheel can absorb all the water content, and then we get dry air, extremely dry air, like 10 per with dry air with 10% relative humidity, 5% relative humidity. We get this with the help of this desiccant dehumidifier, and these are used in pharmaceuticals and industrials and some labs where we done different experiment. So now we draw the process lines of this. So we select this processes from here, and then we add point. So here we can add point fresh air condition, fresh air. Let's suppose we have fresh air of similarly 6000 CFM, and the humidity the temperature, outdoor temperature is 90 Fahrenheit, and let's for relative humidity is 80%. Then we can apply. So this point, we get this point here. So now we can add desiccant dehumidification, desiccant DD. We write this desiccant dehumidification. So from add state point you can select this desiccant dehumidification. So here you see this is desiccant dehumidification. So you can do desiccant dehumidification of fresh air, and now here we can get desiccant relative humidity. So we want to require 60% dry bulb of 60 Fahrenheit, and the wet bulb temperature, the relative humidity of 10%. So we apply this. Now after doing this, we can add, this is our fresh air condition and this is our condition of dry air condition. Now you can save this report, and here we write new folder desiccant dehumidification. So in this folder we save this report. Now we can analyze this report. So here you see this is our report, desiccant dehumidification report. So here you see we have 90% dry bulb temperature, 90 Fahrenheit dry bulb temperature, and 80% relative humidity. So we move 90%, we cool down by sensible cooling. We decrease the temperature of dry bulb to from 90 to 60%. So we use this is our total sensible cooling. And now here we use humidification. So 637.7 pound per hour dehumidifier, the capacity, this is the capacity of desiccant dehumidifier. So for this, if we want to convert this in kg, so this is so big in kg. So we have the value of 637, 7 divided by 2.2, so 289 kg per pound dehumidifier is selected for this process. So this is the process of desiccant dehumidification and the sensible cooling.